Your view on Escudero's ruling, especially the length of time and the inclusion of the Vice President's husband.
Yeah, it makes sense, no, for the decision and for the prosecution to have requested those records to begin with. Siguro I will address what the defense has been raising na. Sabi kanina ni Attorney Poa, bakit 20 years? Actually, ang hinihingi nga lang ng prosecution is 14 years. 2007 when she became vice mayor hanggang 2021, the last full year that she was mayor of Davao City. Pero bakit 20 years? Punta tayo sa 20 years. Kasi maganda siyang reference points dahil maipapakita nun na wala naman talagang naging substantial at matagal na trabaho si Sara. 2000
Before she became vice mayor.
2005, she graduated from law school. 2006, ang description niya sa sariling website ng OVP is she briefly worked sa Supreme Court as a court attorney. And then 2007, middle of 2007, vice mayor na agad siya. Hanggang maging mayor, hanggang maging vice mayor. So, for reference lang, ang salary ng isang vice mayor is 178,000 plus a month. As mayor, it's 226,000 plus, and as VP, it's 398,000 a month. So, maganda siyang reference para pag lumabas yung gaano kalaki yung transactions na pumapasok sa bangko, magkano yung nakadeclare sa SALE niya, makikita mo kung katugma ba siya ng salary. Pwede din niya kasing sabihin na marami akong businesses. Pwede din naman yun, hindi siya nagtrabaho, madaming negosyo. So kaya tama lang din, natitingnan yung records, ano ba ang kinikita ng mga 19 na negosyo na yun na sinasabi nila. And that will also bring us to why her husband's records have to be subpoenaed also. Kasi remember, may statement si Attorney Manscarpio before na private citizen ako, ba't niyo ako idadamay? But you're married to the Vice President. So, bakit din? Kasi pwedeng, okay, kung wala kang enough nakita sa trabaho mo, tapos baka wala ka ding ibang business interest, kaya titingnan yung husband mo, anong pinagkakakitaan ng husband mo. Kaya dapat siya talaga ding makita. Lalo na kung, well, 2007 din, sabi kanina ni Attorney Poa, 2007 din sila naging mag-asawa.
That's right.
So katugmang-katugma nung when she became vice president. So kung titingnan mo yung records at magkukumpara ka, magkatugma pa rin yung number of years nila.
Thanks for this necessary context. Ito yata yung sinasabi ng presiding officer na kailangan to establish the evidentiary baseline. So thank you.